Welcome back. President Sisi held talks with the new U.S. Special Envoy for the Horn of Africa on Wednesday. During the meeting, Sisi congratulated the American official for his new position, wishing him success in achieving his mission and in dealing with regional issues and current challenges that jeopardize the Horn of Africa's stability. The president stressed the significance of the U.S. role in curbing those challenges. He expressed keenness to foster joint cooperation with the United States as part of the framework of the strategic partnership that binds the two countries and its vital role in achieving stability in the Middle East and the continent. The president also reviewed the latest developments regarding the Ethiopian dam file and asserted Egypt's flexible stance in dealing with the issue during negotiations over the past years. He stressed that the country seeks to reach a fair agreement that preserves interests of Egypt, Sudan and Ethiopia. For his part, the U.S. envoy affirmed Washington's appreciation for the strategic ties between the two countries in light of Egypt's pivotal and political role in the region. The president also received visiting Malian Foreign Minister Zeni Moulay on Wednesday and extended his greetings to Mali's president. The head of state stressed the strong ties and highlighted Mali's special location on the African coast and its importance for regional security. The president also expressed keenness to enhance joint cooperation in the fields of infrastructure projects and medical industries, as well as combating terrorism and extremism. For his part, Moulay asserted his country's desire to boost relations with Egypt in various domains and further consultations over several issues of common interest during the coming period. Egypt and Turkey held negotiations in Cairo on Wednesday, headed by Assistant Foreign Minister Hamdi Loza and Turkish Deputy Foreign Minister Sadat Onal. The Foreign Ministry said the two-day talks would focus on means of normalizing ties between both nations at bilateral and regional levels. The talks come nearly 2 months after Ankara established the first diplomatic contacts with Cairo since 2013. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli held a press conference on Wednesday to highlight the latest developments in the coronavirus outbreak. He said the government was always keen to follow up the oxygen supply in several intensive care units across the country. He reiterated that Egypt is ready to face any repercussions related to the pandemic during the coming days. The Premier said that about 1 million citizens received vaccinations so far, adding that President Sisi instructed the provision of sufficient funding for this purpose. He called on citizens to abide by precautionary measures, adding that a number of new restrictions would be applied during the remainder of the holy month of Ramadan, as well as during the Eid al-Fitr holiday. He said that restaurants, cafes and shops would close at 9 p.m. starting Thursday, while public parks and beaches will be closed for the coming 2 weeks. Egypt reported 1,090 new coronavirus infections on Tuesday, bringing the total number of cases to 231,803. The Health Ministry also reported 60 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 13,591. The Prime Minister headed on Wednesday the weekly cabinet meeting to discuss a number of files, of them progress reports of ongoing national projects in all governorates across the country. The cabinet also discussed means of combating the coronavirus and committing with preventive and precautionary measures to curb the pandemic's outbreak.